Hi, my name is Matt Brown. My wife, 4-year-old son, and I live in Sharon Springs, Kansas, which is in the very northwest corner of the state. A town of about 700 to 800 people, somewhere in there. So very small school. I have been a teacher here. This is my 7th year. Um, I this year I'm able to teach 6th through 8th science, um, a kind of a rotating robotics class where I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th, just kind of every 9 weeks throughout the year. Kind of a new thing we're doing this year, which I'm pretty excited about. And I also teach 6th grade social studies. So I'm finally teaching the stuff that's right in my wheelhouse. Just due to teacher turnover the past few years, I've had to teach math, ELA. I mean, you name it. I've had to teach in the middle school, but I finally get the stuff I've been wanting. Um, I'm currently in the second year or the second half of the Masters of Instructional Technology program. Looking to finish up in May. Um, in terms of what I want to get out of this class, whether I want to pursue administration after this, or whether I want to move on to the next level, or whether I just want to be a classroom teacher, continue to do that, I think it's a very good idea to have a strong background of instructional design and assessment. I mean, that's kind of the bread and butter of what we do here. And in order to become a well-rounded teacher, I mean, I need to start working on, little things that, sometimes I don't really think about. I look forward to taking this class with you guys, and I look forward to learning with you.